Hi, my name is Stacy Russell, and my thematic unit is over time. It's for third grade students, and the title is Right on Time for Telling Time. In this thematic unit, we cover science, math, language arts, and fine arts techniques. This unit teaches children how to tell time on analog and a digital clock. We also cover time zones and the different seasons, all the different aspects of time. In this thematic unit, we have we cover well, let me just give you an example of my math calendar board. I used an interactive notebook. What this is, it's a composition book, and the students, each lesson that the students are taught, they're also given a manipulative that we make in class that helps them remember and use the lesson that I taught that day. Let me give you a picture of some of the manipulatives. Here's one. It's a flip chart that we put in the notebook. It's over fractions, decimal and fractions. It's just the rules for changing and then examples. Here is one for just vocabulary words. It's an envelope that is put on in the book, and the students have cards with the vocabulary word, and the flip side is the definition on that topic that we're studying that day. Also, in my unit, we have a math learning station. This station is titled, What Time Did My Friend Visit? And this is a math learning center, and this is also based on the grouchy ladybug. I have some pictures of it as well. There's a time log. The students will have a time log, and they will have a clock. And then each animal that visited the grouchy ladybug, they will put the animal in the correct, under the correct heading: a bird, crustacean, insect, mammal, reptile. They'll put it in the correct classification, and then they will note what the animal is, and then what time the animal came, and they'll have to show this on the clock as well. In the science learning station, we built a ladybug habitat. What we did, we took a plastic coffee can, and we used a black Sharpie and just turned it's a red coffee can, and we turned it into a ladybug by putting spots. We used black pipe cleaners, construction paper, and we used peat moss and clover and fern and for the habitat inside, and then we also added aphids to draw in the ladybugs. We cut slants into the canister, I did, and I let the students place the fern and the peat moss and decorate their ladybug habitat, and then we put those in our school garden, and we will check those on a weekly basis. And we'll kind of keep a running record of what we're seeing in the habitat, and the students will be able to reflect back on what they learned by the end of a couple of weeks, and we'll discuss in class the different things that each group learned and what happened in their habitat. Also, I did a science project, or a science lesson with my kids. It was an animal research project. Let's see, I had each child talk about their favorite animal in the grouchy ladybug, and we journaled about our favorite animal and why that was our favorite animal. Then the students did a report over that animal. They also created like a visual aid of most of them used a Venn diagram and classified these animals. Let's see. The students in the report, they were instructed to use correct sentence structure. We then discussed each report, and the students were able to, if they wanted to, get up in front of the class and give the report. This was a great learning experience for me, putting this unit together and making it my own. I do plan to carry this with me into my teaching, and I appreciate the opportunity to share it with you guys. Thank you.